Hey, what's going on? I'm Steve. I hope you're having a great day. We're going to learn 5 Tom Petty intros crazy fast. These are epic songs that everybody knows and loves, so let's just get to it. All right, to kick it off, let's learn one of his most famous songs, Free Fallin'. So you got a capo on the 3rd fret, and I played it 2 different ways. You strum a D major one time, and then I transitioned into that. It's like a half D major, half G major. Basically, you're keeping that 5th fret of the G string and adding the 6th fret of the high E string. So it's the same D major, but with that 6th fret of the E string and adding the 6th fret of the low E string as well. It's like a G major and a D on top of each other, and you go back down to a D major to an A major. And the second time around I did this. So it's really cool to add the bass note there, the 5th fret of the low E string to a D major to a regular G major this time. So this is a G major, but I'm including the 6th fret on the B string. G, D, A, like that. For the next one, it sounds even better on a 12-string Rickenbacker, but we'll give it a shot here. It's Learning to Fly. Very nice. So the chords are F, C, A minor, G, but that classic note here goes like this. It's the 2nd fret of the G string off to open G and, back up. So, and when you strum that last one, you're on the C major. So it does this nice, easy strumming. And to do that, of course, I play an F with my thumb. If you do a bar chord, I don't really know how you're going to be able to do that right there. Then you go to an A minor. So try not to hit the high part of an A minor. You're really going like this, ending up on the 1st fret of the B string to a G major, and that G major, you're emphasizing the open B right there. Next up, this is actually a cover by Tom Petty of the Byrds, Feel a Whole Lot Better. Really cool. It's in A major with no capo, and you hit the low notes first, then strum out the rest of the A major. And now I play an A major with 2 fingers. You release the B string to go to an open B string, back up to the 2nd fret, 3rd fret of the B string, back to the 2nd, and open, and back to the 2nd again. And doing the rest of it while playing the A major chord the whole time. So all you're doing are those notes I just showed you, but you're keeping the rest of the A major. So like that. So I just release the B, back to an A major, add that finger right there, like that, get some nice strumming. E major, F sharp minor, B. But now I'm getting into the whole lesson. That part's gonna cost you. Moving on to number 2, this thing rocks. It's Runnin' Down a Dream in E major. Love that. You go open E to the 7th fret and back off. So the whole time you're doing this little off, on, off kind of thing right there. So open E, 7th fret of the low E string, open, 6th fret, open, 5th fret, all that same low E string, open, 3rd fret, and back open again. You can use any fingers you want. Probably want to do this. Like that. And when you do, strum out the E major really hard. And if you want to get tricky, you can go like this. When you hit that last one on the 3rd fret, go like that. Give it 2 double strums. And closing it out here, it's one of my favorite Tom Petty songs of all time, The Waiting. show you that lick too as a bonus. So you're in D major with no capo, and you begin here with this finger, first finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string, and then you go into a G major. But the key here is that 3rd fret of the B string is constant right there. So you're hitting the D, G, and B strings right there on the 3rd fret, and then you go back to a D major right here, but you're really just keeping that finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and adding this one here on the 2nd fret of the G string. And the key here is you use your thumb to do a walk down back to that 2nd fret of the low E string. So all together. And now leave this finger on the 3rd fret of the B string and you play an A major, like that right here. So you're hitting an A major, using this finger to just sort of lay it down flat, and then you're back to a D major. And you're really rarely hitting that high note ever, probably. So check this out. Right there again with that 3rd fret of the B string, and you don't hit the high E string. But then when you do that little solo, now you're hitting the 5th fret of the high E string, hammered onto the 7th and back to the 5th, and then go to the 8th fret of the B string, 7th, 5th of the B string, and then 7th fret of the G string, and slide it down to the 2nd fret of that G string. All right, those are 5 super fast Tom Petty intros. Aren't they amazing? Let me know which one's your favorite and give me more suggestions for videos like this. Catch you around the channel. Later.